Quali say, everybody act according to the season that they born in. Some in the night, some in the morning, some at noon, some in winter, some in June. It's all cool, it's a natural. The science is a jewel. For me and mine's yours and you. Let's move. Tell you a little bit about mine. Yo, I was born in a season where the world was quiet and cold. Celebrations were going on. Some were happy, some were sad. Some felt bad from being good, some felt good from being bad. And feelings pass and change, but they never leave. They here to stay. Holiday, holiday, happy birthday. Teenage love, the first cup, run deep. So long flesh, this is the Brooklyn streets. Year of the ox, 7 and 3, MD. The history. Come on. Every soul got one a day. Yes. It's where you been and where you be. And without understanding, you cannot proceed complete. It start then it end. Then it just go round again. Again and again, brand new. Again and again, so fresh. Again and again, newness. I was born in a decade of decadence where they worship what they have. Ford was president, do the math. War was ended when the North Vietnamese stormed the city of Saigon. We was like, bye, we was gone, let bygones be bygones. I'm gone, spread love, it's the Brooklyn way, where they hug you with the firearm, tried on like we were school clothes. Black Star officially smash when we do shows, facts, no mystery. I'm down with the crew like Mussolini in Italy. I rock with the Bruce like the Giventry. Powerful bigotry at work, me and my people got history. Rappers dumbing down considerably. We get it poppin' like a hit chorus.